They say gold is the most valuable commodity on Earth, but they're wrong. The real treasure lies beneath your feet. Soil is the foundation of life, feeding, nourishing, and sustaining everything we know. But today, our soil is under threat, overworked, depleted, and forgotten. What if we told you there's a way to restore its vitality and unleash its true potential? At Feed Earth Now, we turn green waste into gold, not for vaults, but for soil. Our patented Easy Fen technology converts green bio-waste into Replenish, a powerful microbial solution that regenerates soil, restores nutrients, and builds organic matter. With Replenish, every drop enriches the soil, fixes nitrogen, and solubilizes phosphorus, turning barren lands into thriving ecosystems. Soil is the future's most valuable currency above gold and oil. Together, we can turn waste into wealth, soil into a thriving and regenerative system for everyone. Soil is the real gold. Trade on soil. Invest in Replenish. Join the revolution. Visit easyenergyfinance.com.